Good morning, everyone. My all subscribers want to know about me. They want my introduction. So let me introduce myself. I'm Jiten Singh Parihar, cool and calm personality of 38. I have done my engineering in electronics and communication, and after that, I have done my MBA in HR and IT. I have also done my MA in English literature, and I have been pursuing as assistant professor in a private college in Rewa, and I have experience of 15 years to teach communication skill. If you really want to learn easy English, fast English, you can contact me, subscribe our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and share our videos and press the like button.